Alright, how's it going, YouTube? So we got the Traxxas T-Maxx out. It is on 6S. I'm gonna do a quick speed bash. Well, speed run off-road. I did go ahead and upgrade since I broke the hub carriers in the rear. I went and upgraded them to RPM. Came with new bearings and everything. A lot smoother. Anyway, got the GPS up here, zeroed out. We'll go ahead and start it. Hope y'all seeing that. Alright, just a quick little run in the field. I don't really run this car on 6S, so this might be the last time. Alright, we're gonna see. Couldn't get it all the way up. We got 41. It wasn't bad. That's about half throttle. Yeah, I mean, I might try it again. See how hot this motor is. Hey, let's give it one more shot. See if we can beat that 41. I'm gonna leave it just like that. That wasn't the GPS that came off. There we go. I did get almost up to full, but we did get 42 that time. Not bad. Some bashing gear, especially for that little motor. It ain't even hot. It's a 2600. Gould RC motor. Still cool. But I ain't gonna bash it on 6S. Probably get a jump or two rip in on 6, and then I'm gonna put it on 4. Stay tuned. Alright, y'all, I taped that GoPro up there. It's on 4S. I ain't wanna destroy it on 6. So I got the GoPro up there. We're gonna see if it hold up while we get some jumps in. I did not mean to do that. Hopefully the servo don't blow out on me. Cameras seem to be holding up. Bit muddy out here today, fellas. Oh, there we go, GoPro. Alright, so that's as much onboard footage we're gonna have. If y'all look real close, y'all can see it look like it's rain, but that's on the inside. That's how wet it got. She's still running though. Took the onboard off for now. We had to get some rips in. Yeah. I didn't know what to do right there. I didn't know if to correct it, move, get out the, or what. That was funny. That onboard right there would have been on point. That onboard would have been solid. I'll be back after that close call. See if we try that again. Shit. Alright, y'all, we back after that crash. Let's try that again. I usually run a 30C in here, but right now I got 2 batteries. She got a little bit more oomph today. A little bit more on. Let's see if we pull a backflip. Not right here though. Alright, let's see. Got somebody over there flying a drone. Much for that backflip, huh? Let's send it though. New RPM arms. Might have been able to correct that one. She ripping with them 80Cs though. Had to let off. It was coming right towards me. Oh, I wasn't even expecting that. That was a bonus. They got front wheel drive there, fellas. Think my dog bone center drive shaft snap. Let's check it out. Oh, it's muddy in there. So I have to get clean. Oh yeah, it snapped. Let me see if y'all can see that. Shows you what happens when it's cold, but I can't complain. Y'all see that in there? The drive shaft right here. Snap. Nothing major, that's minor. No, what I did was, I use, cause they come small like this. Y'all look in there, it's kind of thick. So what I did was, I cut one of these down to size. One of the rear drive shafts. I cut those down to size and made that a center drive shaft. But you know, you gotta make do with what you got, you know. But anyway, thank y'all for tuning in. It was a fun bash, close calls, good times. All right, guys, got a few people that be asking me about the setup on here. So just a brief, quick look. I usually run a 1.4 single pack, but these fit sideways, so I end up running them like that. See my small cam motor in here. The 6S ESC is coming out of here. I'm only gonna run it on 4. What else I wanted to show y'all? Oh, I hope y'all can see the comparisons from the small to the big thick one. 2 different size dog bones. Remember I was telling you I made this work. And man, just cut it down and it worked. Oh, I got a lot of mess to clean, I'll tell y'all that. But yeah, that's the setup right there. Still got all 4 shocks on each one, front to rear. That's 8 shocks altogether. It's a good rig, man. I RPM'd out everything that broke so far. I didn't modify nothing that didn't break. If it didn't break, I didn't touch it. So, you know, as it went on, kept upgrading. But she's a solid truck. And thank y'all for tuning in. It was a good day. Update, show y'all this is what I was using. See how I cut it? It's like a dry shaft for the T-Maxx. So now I have one of these. I'm gonna try. It's kind of running short here, so I'm gonna see how it holds up. And should be good. Only thing I don't trust, because I had this on another car, this pin on another dry shaft came out. So we'll see how long that holds up. But anyway, we got this back up and running. We're gonna get some tests in with it, so stay tuned for that.